If you want your friend to know that you're better than them, you should totally get this. So all jokes aside, you can only get this, I believe, if you have a Cybertruck. And it has a Cybertruck logo right there, so people know that you have a Cybertruck. But it's essentially the same. There's nothing different about the tech inside of it. So you could actually program not just a Cybertruck, but other Teslas with this as well. So this is actually the reason why we bought it, other than, trying to gloat to our friends, is that we wanted to use this as an all-encompassing key card for all our Test Bros vehicles. But most importantly, is this really metal? So this is the original one. Okay, that doesn't really tell that it's metal, but I can tell you right now that it is metal. It's obviously coated with some sort of plastic. I kind of chipped it, but you can definitely tell. Yeah, so it has a little bit more weight to it. Okay, so now we can go inside. The setup on this is actually really, really easy. So if you have your phone, that's how you would do it. You would go to locks, and then there's a lot of, this is all our, there's a lot of people. You just add key, and then the center console, the charging part, is actually where it goes. So it goes in here. It'll say tap existing key card to approve pairing. And you can see, no different from any other models. So you can add a key. Let me do this right. You put the actual key card there, and then it says tap existing key card. I got this one. You tap it, and then key has been added. Like I said, you could add unlimited amounts of key card. If I put this key card right here, it comes out right there. So you know that it says active, and then that's where you can name it. Cybertruck or Cybercard. And then there you go. Now you know that this is the actual key card because you named it. So you could do this for the Model 3, you could do this for Y, SX, all the newer ones. So this is actually what we're going to be programming all our Teslas into this particular card. That way we don't have to know which card is it, and like you said, we don't sorry, we don't label any of them, and we should though. We totally should. We just don't. So that's pretty much how you set it up. There's nothing different. It is cooler. It does look pretty cool. It's kind of like a, you have that friend with the metal card, right? You go to a dinner, and then they bring out their card, they drop it on purpose, and it's like clink, clink, clink. This is kind of what that's for. So if that's all what you're wanting, you do need a friend again that has a Cybertruck. From my knowledge, I had several friends call me up and say, hey, can you get me this card? So I got a bunch of them for them. But other than that, same thing, kind of cool. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. But let us know if you have any questions or comments below, and we'll try to answer them. But we'll see you next time. Click on that subscribe button.